Sorry, guys. I'm in GeoFS right now, and I'm landing on a carrier that is cramped with Arthur. Some guys, I guess. I don't know. They put crazy names. Okay, that F-16 guy is gonna be dead right now. That was a bounce. I landed. Yeah, this is a carrier landing challenge. What's that ZL now? Z50 doing beside me? Hey guy, what ya doing? He doesn't hear me. Whatever. Let's try let's try to land a twin otter in here. Let's use Flyby. How's that a stall? Are you kidding me, GeoFS? How is that a stall? Now the stall. Now it should come stall home. I'm on zero throttle, and this thing's like still drifting in the air. Okay, let's start descent right now. Okay, and put the flaps. I don't know why this twin R sounds like a jet. A jet and. Okay, weren't the parking brakes coming on? Yeah, now they're on. Okay. I landed. Oh my god. Okay. Bye bye, Twin Otter. Really? You disappointed me. Thought you could land anywhere. I never used an ALF. Let's use those fighter jets afterwards. Let's use carrier. Okay, Mr. Everywhere Hero Venom. I think it's a good time to start descending. Certainly. And get the flaps going. Okay, that was a bad go around. Let's restart that. Okay, that was bad. Hey! Do the loop, the loop. Come on, business class passengers, die. Die. Yeah, come on. Whoa. A complete loop the loop. Okay, why did I put a video? Put the gear view. Restart that. Restart. Geared. It's a good time to put the gear down. And the flaps going. Just Oh. Oh my god. Anyway, okay, let's just put the gear down right now. Oh my god. I don't know why I always keep turning. 200 knots? Are you kidding me? 200 knots. Let's cut the engine off. Okay, work. I know for sure. Plane just completely crashed. Let's try A and A. Let's respawn back onto. Oh my god! Why is everybody crowding onto the carrier? Holy! I should have used the longer runway. But yeah, I forgot there were spoilers. Okay, I need to go end this video fast because time limit's only 15 minutes. It's a good time to start the engines. Wait. Climb. What the? Hey, it's actually good. Coming on to the gate bridge. Oh, I almost landed. Let's just count that as a landing. Let's try to land let's use Sukhoi Su-35. Sounds right. Shut up, you sounds. What? Why am I spinning in circles? And why am I so fast? I think this Sukhoi is not perfect plane. Those rolls. We already passed the carrier. Okay, we don't need this plane. Yeah, I'm gonna use tail dragger now. Let's use it. I'm gonna show you another episode when I use the fighter jets, okay? Because the time lapse only. You're gonna have to be careful because this is a tail dragger. And it doesn't have flaps either. Draco! Stop!
Remote daddy.
Nagtalilo.
No.
Okay, 80 knots. No. Plane's dead. We need it. Plane's dead. Plane's dead. Okay. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I have 3 more left. 3 more minutes left, so thank you guys. I'm not ending the video yet, but thank you guys for watching. Why am I always so bad at this? Bad at landing tail draggers? And off the engine. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you guys next week. Maybe. I don't know for sure, but I'll make a video when I can, okay? And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.